Renee Olivia, and in this video I'm gonna go over a couple different shades of red lip. And for someone my age, 47 years old, I kind of steer clear of the red lip, and that's just, I don't know why. I think I'm just afraid of it. But I want to know your opinion and what your thoughts are, because normally I think of like a Taylor Swift who wears that's her signature, the red lip, and she looks so great and cute and just put together. And I always want to do that. I want to run out even during the day with this red lip and just look put together. So, but most of the time, if I'm going to wear a red lip, it's mostly at night if I'm going out. So I want your opinion on all of that. But for starters, let's just start. I'm gonna do like probably 3 different options, and then I'll figure out what I like better. But I would love your feedback too. If you think I'm too old, if it looks good, if you have better options, definitely I would love to hear. So let's get started. First one I'm gonna do is a matte liner by Nars. It's called Dragon Girl. So this I'm just gonna put on, no liner or anything. Okay. Now that's just the matte look. So you can leave it like this, or add a little Burt's Bees chapstick or like a clear gloss to give it a little more shine. Make sure there's nothing on my teeth. Yeah, I don't know, I kind of like it. I don't know why I don't wear red. I like that so far. So let me try another look. Okay, so got that off. Now the next thing I'm gonna try, or next shade I'm gonna try, is, again, this is a Nars, and this is called Red Lizard. This is, again, a matte. Oh, before I start, I wanna put like a more neutral liner. You can use any neutral liner. I just wanna kind of mute it a little bit to kind of give it not so bright of a red. Over line it. So that's like a muted kind of shade. And then I'll put the Red Lizard Nars matte lipstick. So that's if I keep it just as a matte look. I like it. It's definitely a darker red. So if I want to lighten it up a little bit, I'm going to use the Nars red. I'll get you the exact color, but it's just the gloss. Oh, I really like that too. I don't know why I don't wear red more often. I want to know your opinion though, because if I look really horrible, I don't want to go out like this, but I like it. I feel like it, I definitely have a neutral eye and neutral clothes, so everything kind of doesn't like come out like the red. The red is really what's standing out, and I really like that. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off, and then we're gonna try one more look. So just slightly different. Okay, so I have that off, and now this look is more like something that, again, like during the day, if I need to run out to the grocery store or whatever, something really quick, I think this might be a good option. So I'm gonna use the Burt's Bees as just a bottom. You know what I mean. Whatever. And then just really quickly, so if you're in a hurry, I'm using the Burberry red. Actually, it's a blush. It's like a creamy blush. And I'm just gonna do it really quick. And it feels really nice. Yeah. So this would just be like something you just put on if you're in a hurry, but you also want to look put together. I think that looks really good. What do you guys think? I'm really curious on your thoughts on someone my age, 47, wearing the red lip during the day, running errands and stuff like that. Just, for me, everyone says you look way more polished and put together. I'm just always afraid to do it, but I would love your thoughts and feedback. But that's my video on a red lip at my age. I know all the young ones look amazing and great, but I would love, even if you guys send pictures, I would love to see what you guys look and the brands that you use and what you like. So if you did like the video, I hope you did. Please subscribe, like it, and comment. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.